Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Mark Davis, partner at Finding Country in Lichfield. Today we're going to have a look at the beautiful 4-bedroom barn conversion, the Granary. It's in Burntwood Green, just outside of Burntwood, and in fact a mere 10 minutes drive away from Lichfield city centre. Let's go inside, have a chat with the owners, see what all the fuss is about. Follow me. David, obviously we're in the living room. For me, this is a room with great warmth and energy, but what was it about the Granary that made it the right choice for you and Jill all those years ago when you bought it?
I think it's location, basically. It was also convenient because it has good access into London and also into Birmingham. That was also a plus.
And you mentioned the commute. How far are we from Lichfield by driving? How far is that?
Well, the city station, which takes you directly into Birmingham, Grand Central, is about 3 miles. We like the layout of the house. It's linear in a sense. It's rather than box shape like many houses are these days.
You mentioned to me, which I thought was a great sense of the lifestyle here, the sort of parties you'd have and the lunches.
Yeah.
So the rooms that you've enjoyed and utilised the most over the years, if there were two, top of your head?
Well, the one top of our head would be the dining room and the kitchen, funnily enough, because when we have friends, old friends around, they congregate in the dining room, and of course usually Jill is in the kitchen cooking and she wants to be part of the conversation. So those are very special rooms for us. The lounge also, sometimes, if she really wants to get rid of us out of the kitchen area, she'll tell us to come in this room and be comfortable, and I'd serve drinks in here before people in here. The spaces that I like most in the house are the master bedroom. Jill and I both love that area, and also the landing area, which we find rather quirky. It overlooks greenbelt land. There are often cows. When we first came here, there were Highland cattle in the field, very visible. We had our favourites among the cows. We named one of them Boris, after a well-known politician.
I do love that. The energy in that part of the house as well is wonderful and flows beautifully into the master.
We've got two relatively small gardens, one at the front of the house and one at the other side of the house. One of the great advantages is we can follow the sun around.
Yeah.
So at breakfast time we can choose, we can sit either space, and so it's proved very useful from that point of view. But for those who like gardening and enjoy it, there's a lot more outdoor space as well that belongs here, and that's what we call our paddock. At the top, before you go down there, there's a double garage, and that's proved very useful over the years.
Well, I think you'll all agree, the Granary, a beautiful 4-bedroom barn conversion. If you'd like to know more, if you'd like to come and have a look and see it in the flesh, all the details will follow after this. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks so much. Speak to you soon.